Hey guys, don't hate me. I was just so scared to pull this thing apart. You know, it's all the way from England. I wanted to take my time to pull it apart. Look at the crud in there. So I'm gonna count these pins and make sure I got it figured out and write them all down before I pop the camera on, because I'm scared that I'm gonna mess it up. I'm really scared. There we go. Here's a fly-in. Got to do a fly-in on these things. From England. Don't want to mess it up.
I've got it. I've found the solution. This is incredible. This is exactly what I needed.
There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Mike from Door and Lock Tips.